What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast with a cup of tea.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me about 30 minutes.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
How long does it take to reach your work?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you take your lunch from home?
Yes, I bring my lunch from home.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I usually take a short break and have some snacks.
Do you take a nap during the day?
Yes, I take a 15-minute nap.
What do you do after school?
I go to the gym or spend time with my family.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every evening.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
Do you go for a walk in the evening?
Yes, I go for a walk after dinner.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I have dinner around 8 p.m.
Do you watch TV or use your phone at night?
Yes, I watch TV for some time.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I wake up late on weekends.
Do you like to go out on weekends?
Yes, I like to go to the park or a cafe.
What's your favorite thing to do on a Sunday?
I love to sleep in and watch movies.
Do you clean your house on weekends?
Yes, I clean my house every Saturday.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What is your favorite meal of the day?
I love dinner because I eat with my family.
Do you prefer homemade food or fast food?
I prefer homemade food.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying different cuisines.
Do you help with housework?
Yes, I help with cleaning and washing dishes.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean my room every day.